How to unarchive a story on Instagram. First of all, just to let you know, there is no built-in feature in Instagram to unarchive a story, but we are here with few workaround. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then, once inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now once there, simply tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and again navigate to the Instagram settings in privacy. Once there, scroll down and tap on the archive option available there. Inside archive, make sure you have chose the stories archive. Now scroll and simply choose the archive or story you want to unarchive. So tap on it and open it. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the highlights option available at the bottom. So this story has already been highlighted. Now in this, if I want to unarchive this, then you can see highlight button available there. Simply tap on it and highlight it. If you want it visible permanently on your profile, you cannot unarchive directly and post it again. Instead, you can simply save this on your device and post it on your story again, or you can simply highlight it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.